Hey everyone, welcome back to part 2 of our tutorial on creating your own clothing brand using Mockup Bootleg Art Lab packages. Let's continue our tutorial on using Mockup Bootleg Art Lab. We'll do another practical example, creating a sweatshirt with custom stitching, added pockets, contrasting color seams, and a graphic design. For this, we'll use a boxy fit sweatshirt, both front and back, and choose which accessory, specifically which pocket, to add to our garment. In this case, we're selecting a pocket that closes with a button clip. Now we'll go to the jacket, select all seams and the entire pocket, then copy it using Command-C or Ctrl-C. We'll then paste it onto our sweatshirt using Command-V or Ctrl-5 and adjust it proportionally to fit. We'll add the central pocket and remove extra seams that extend from the chest to the shoulders, as you can see. How do we do this? Select the whole sweatshirt, use the Shape Creator tool, Shift+M, and hold L to remove excess lines. You'll see a minus sign appear on your cursor. Next, choose the sweatshirt color. For this, we'll use a quicker coloring technique. There are various methods available. I'll demonstrate this one for you. Select the entire sweatshirt, press K to bring up the Paint Bucket tool. Use the arrow keys to pick a color from the swatch library. Initially, we plan to use royal blue. Now, let's add the finishing touch, contrasting seams. As mentioned, we'll choose a red that contrasts well with our royal blue. How do we color the seams? We simply click on the seams. Then we select the track where the seams are colored and change their color. We click all seams, even small parts, and color them red. We've added a pocket to the center of our sweatshirt. Now let's work on the back of the sweatshirt. We'll add a graphic to the back. We take our created graphic and place it on the sweatshirt's back, in the position we prefer. The button was meant to be metal, so we'll leave it gray, not coloring it. Here's the final product. We started with a crop fit sweatshirt mock-up and added details from others. We added a central pocket and contrasting stitching as color details. Subscribe to our channel, check Art Lab's site for mockups, and stay tuned. Goodbye everyone, see you next time.